Gang-Making Railway, South Africa. Documentary produced and directed in 1898 by Robert Mitchell, a pioneer of Irish cinema. Having filmed the film as his personal hobby and having made a trip to South Africa before the outbreak of the Second Boer War, Robert Mitchell shows South African workers in the effort to build local infrastructure. The only preserved digital copy of this film is protected by the British Film Institute and is only shown within Great Britain. For the rest of the world, it is denied screening.